First of all, ma'am, you've got an amazingly different style of singing with the guitar, the mouth organ. So we want to know, where did you get this from?
Since I was a kid, I've been playing the keyboard, and then I started playing the guitar. And like I said on India's Got Talent, I had seen a video of someone playing the guitar and the mouth organ together. So I don't know, it just was very fascinating to me, and I just hung on to the style, and I ordered the required equipment. So that's how I started. Like, it took a lot of time, practice and stuff, but it happened.
Okay, and you also do keyboard with the mouth organ, and you also do guitar with the mouth organ. Which one suits you better?
It just depends on what song I'm doing, and I prefer the guitar and the mouth organ because it's easy to carry everywhere, and keyboard is more like a studio or a band thing.
And like all of us want to know about future plans, where we're going to see you nowadays now.
I am doing a lot of projects. You'll be hearing some tracks in a couple of movies, and some singles are also coming out. And I'm collaborating with various artists. So yeah, so like a month or two maximum, you'll see a lot of stuff.
And do you think India's Got Talent helped you to become a social buzz all across the country?
I think I owe a lot to India's Got Talent because that was the first season and it was launched with this bang, and it got me a lot of recognition. I can't imagine things otherwise if there was no India's Got Talent. So I don't know. I think I owe it a lot to the show.
I would like to ask one line that defines you completely. One line that defines just you.
I don't know what defines me.
As an artist or as
Like, as an artist, I think like I like to question everything, and that's why like if you listen to my songs also closely, there's a lot of unrest, and there's a lot of things unanswered, and I'm trying to seek something. So I just question too much. That's my thing.
lastly, in the end, we'd like if you could just have two lines for us. Sing two lines for us.
एक बात समझ में आए नी, माए नी मेरी माए नी, माए नी माए नी, मरी आँख को नींद सुहाए नी, मेरे नैनों से ख्वाबों की यारी नी, माए नी मेरी माए नी, माए नी माए नी, मेरी नींद बनी बंजारी नी.